What's up, YouTube? It's me, 360 Wave Process Rashad, and today I'm about to show y'all how to make a durag from scratch. Before I get into the video, I'm just gonna talk for about 60 seconds. The main reason why I'm making this video is because a lot of my supporters who live overseas in different countries contact me consistently letting me know that they have trouble getting products for their waves. Also, I feel like every waver should be able to make their own durag, or at least know how. I also wanted to create this video to help just the wave family in general, being a leader within the culture. As far as influence goes, I feel like it's a good thing for me to share this with y'all. Now, I know some of y'all may be thinking like, Rashad, you selling durags, so isn't that counterproductive of you to show people how to make them? In a sense it is, but overall, it's not really about me selling the most durags. So if I can help the mass majority of everybody in the wave community know how a durag is made, then I'm going to choose to share that over just kind of keeping that a secret. And also, I could let you know it's going to cost you more money to make one durag than it would be for you to buy one. I also wanted to create this because as more people become interested in our culture of waving, I feel like this is empowering to our wave community as a whole. I feel like waving is real similar to hip hop in the way that it's just our culture, you know what I'm saying? And we know what's happening in hip hop with the appropriation of the culture. I just really don't want to see that happening to the wave community, all right? So it's up to us to you know what I'm saying, stand up for our culture and to keep what's ours. You see what I'm trying to say? Y'all see what I'm trying to say, wave fam? That's all I'm gonna say, all right? Hit the like button, enjoy the video.
What I do is magic, what they do is average. I'ma keep on going with this music for my family. I'ma hit a nigga with that steamer like Sally. Gotta keep that glove on a nigga like that.
First of all, I just wanna explain the materials that you're gonna need to bring this durag to life. You're gonna need half a yard to a whole yard of some type of fabric. If you want a silky durag, then you know what I mean, you get you some silky fabric. If you don't want a silky one, you want some different type of material durag, you get that material, all right? So that's what we start here. Just to show you an example of one durag I've already made, this what it looked like, and I made it out of this right here. As you can see, it's the same thing. It's cut from the same cloth. You get it? That was such a corny joke. Well, it wasn't corny, I just made it corny. But yeah, man, it's legit cut from the same cloth. Now this one kind of rough around the edges because it was a rough draft. I just was like, let me just test my skills out after I researched the information to be able to learn how to do this. Next, you're gonna need a durag that's a model durag. For this video right here, I choose to use this durag right here because what we're gonna do is we're gonna outline this durag and basically use the same design as this. Next, after that, you're going to need some cardboard. Now, the reason why you're going to need some cardboard is because you're going to use that cardboard to create basically a stencil. Stay with me, y'all. I know y'all learn stuff like this in school. They just teach y'all a lot of bullshit to remember, but this is something real right here. You're going to have a real skill after this. When you finish getting your outline, you're gonna have something that looks like this. So far we got 1 yard of fabric, we got a model durag, we got cardboard. Next we have sewing pins. It's basically like a push pin, like a thumbtack. You can't really see it, but you'll see it later in the video. Yeah, and that's gonna hold your design together when you first get it situated. But yeah, after that, you're gonna need, let's just say, some fabric cutting scissors, and then also a good old fashioned sewing machine is what I have here. And that's all you're gonna need. Now understand not everyone has access to a sewing machine like that. So in turn, I'm gonna mention another way you could do it by hand if you, just to replace the sewing machine, all right, if you don't. Also, if you really want a 3WP durag, let me know in the comments, man. I'm gonna give away the durag I make in this video. All right, so if you wanna win it, hit the like button and leave a comment down below talking about something about 3WP durags. Yes, let's get it. That's all you need, Wave family. And for the content copiers, don't copy. Cha-ching, I had to. All right, let's do it. You're gonna drop your cardboard down onto your whatever platform you wanna start this process with, right, Wave fam? And then what you wanna do, you're gonna wanna get the model durag that you're gonna use, right? You put it on this cardboard. The reason why you're putting it on this cardboard is because you're about to make an outline of this shape. Let's call it a shape, all right? Oh yeah, I forgot, you're gonna need a marker or a pen or something, all right? Now, the next step you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and create an outline of this durag. Now let me see if this pen will hold this down on this cardboard. Yeah, it does hold the fabric down. So if you have some pins, some sewing pins, then you could go ahead and pin your model durag to the cardboard so it does not move while you are creating your outline. That'll be very helpful for you. Okay, next, Ocean Squad, this is what you about to do. If you got one of these, let me see. Let me see if this is gonna help me out, because I could just do it with this. Oh, I could do it with this. This thing coming in handy. Ooh wee. Ooh yeah. Now you really want to take your time, but you know what I'm saying? That's exactly what I'm doing, taking my time. Oh, that's really nice. I really like this tool right here. It didn't work last time. I wasn't able to use it for some odd reason. I don't know what happened. So you want to go ahead and trace that outline.
Your body looking right. I'm trying to fuck with you. You know what I wanna do. Let me hit some.
Once you finish tracing your durag, you can now lift it up off of the cardboard. This is no longer needed since you got the outline. I'm gonna bring the camera up close. So I went on ahead and I just sketched it out with a marker so that y'all can see better. And if you take a closer look, you can see that I didn't exactly follow the line that I outlined because I felt like that was gonna be too big. I did some changes to it, as you can see, especially right here. I cut off that width right there. And I made the little string right here a little bit thinner. And that's one thing about making your own durag. You can customize it how you want. Yeah, if you don't have a model durag, I figured out you could also just sketch that little drawing right there. If you could sketch that, then you can make it happen, Captain. You don't even need a model durag. Alright, just draw that little figure on your cardboard and then follow the next step. And hit that like button if you ain't hit it. Alright, so once you got your shape drawn out on the cardboard, you wanna grab your handy dandy scissors and you wanna go ahead and cut your shape out. Now right now I'm about to cut off this excess cardboard because it's not even needed. Last time I didn't have a big enough cardboard and that's why I didn't draw the whole string on the cardboard. I bet. Oh, let me just rip this off right here too. I bet. So once you got your shape drawn out on the cardboard, if you have any excess cardboard, you might want to shave that off so that it'll make it easier for you to cut your design out. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm about to take these scissors and I'm about to cut this design out. Actually, I could just do it like this on the low. Oh yeah, it's working. Oh yeah. Alright, there. Hopefully I'm not scratching my table up. Oh yeah, you gonna make a mess, so be prepared to clean up after this.
All we do is make classics, smoke real weed with
I bet. Just about ready. Just clear off the little final finishing touches to it. Rip that little spare cardboard off. Yeah. All right. Let me just make a little touch up. Let me see. Bet. All right. So here we have it. The final cardboard cutout of the durag. Look at it. Behold. Yo, I just finished cutting it out, Ocean Squad. Look how it look. Look like a real durag, right? Now, this all you're gonna need because it's two symmetrical parts to a durag and they be the same size. Let me try it on. This is it. This how you make it. Nah, I'm playing. So after that, you're gonna need your fabric. Now, I'm not gonna use this fabric right here because one, that fabric is trash. It's not made for a durag. I'm gonna try this fabric right here. Don't this look interesting, Ocean Squad? I don't know how long ago it was. I showed y'all this fabric in a video. It was a live stream and y'all was like, that's blue. Now y'all can clearly see that it's a green fabric. Anyways, let's get this popping, Ocean Squad. So this is the part of the video where you want to get your pins, right? Remember these pins I told you about? You want to pin this shape to the cloth. Now, the reason why I say do it on carpet right here is because the pins go into the carpet and yeah, it makes your job a lot easier. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right now. Boom. This is Art and Craft with 3WP Rashad. Welcome. You don't want this to move while you cutting out your shape. Generally, if you have cloth cutting scissors, it'll be very easy to run those scissors through this fabric. It'll just cut like butter. But if you don't, if you're trying to use regular scissors, I believe you will have much more trouble cutting out this shape. And your cloth will be rough around the edges. Cloth cutting scissors just cut cloth much smoother than regular scissors. And that's why there's a need for cloth cutting scissors. What's the difference? Don't ask me, Ocean Squad. All right, this is just what I learned from my research. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this now. Do this. I'm gonna take my time on this one, y'all. And now, I believe that I cut the fabric shape out, and I will now, yeah, I should. Just that one little small spot right here. I'm just, boop, nip that in the bud, and yeah. You can now basically remove that fabric, and you'll just have this cut out. You can lift this up off the carpet. Your carpet will be undamaged. Actually, you didn't have to throw your fabric yet because you're gonna have to cut out the second piece. But yeah, y'all feel me? You feel me? So I'm gonna cut out my other piece, and then I'm going to show you guys the next step. Hit that like button if you didn't hit it yet. This is one half of the Velvet
Durag. But they ain't got no cabbage. Yeah, I'm 21, but I ain't gon' say that I'm savage. What I do is magic. What they do is average. I'ma keep on going with this music for my family.
Alright, Wave family, we coming up to the last step of this process to making a do-rag. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna stitch this right here together. See these two pieces right here? Once we stitch these together, we'll have one complete do-rag and it's good to go to wear and help you get your waves on swim. 360waveprocess.com. And as I mentioned, if you want to win this do-rag that I just made right now, hit the like button and leave a comment saying anything about a 3WP do-rag, all right? And we're gonna pick somebody. Look at that, some green threads. And I'm gonna thread that with the green because that green matches. As I mentioned, it's not that difficult to sew, but at the same time, shoot. Gonna have to make it do what it do. Now, I just bought this sewing machine the other day, y'all, so excuse me if I make some type of mistake on here. But really, all you gotta do is just, whoop. It's a large hem that I'm allowing, but you know what I'm saying, I gotta do it for now. Yeah, I gotta allow that hem. I don't like large hems, but okay. Alright, bet. Take out that pen. It's going cool right now.
Gotta keep that glove on a nigga like Danny. All I wanna do is ride a Bentley on candy. All I wanna do is get a Grammy or an Emmy.
Alright, Ocean Squad. So this is the final product right here. As you can see, it look drippy. It's wet. It's flaming. It's hot. It's so hot I gotta drop it now. But look, man, it's cool. Look at it. A little rough draft. That's a little stitching on the inside, a little stitching on the back side. It's straight. I got one on right now. If you want to buy one of these, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Hit me in the comments and be like, let me buy one, Rashad. And I'll probably make you one custom. But besides that, this is what it looked like from the back. What y'all think, man? To me, I actually like this. I just got to figure out one thing, and that's if it lays my hair down. If it lays my hair down, because this is a new cloth type material, you know what I'm saying? I never had no velvet do-rag. So I don't know how it's gonna work, because the purpose of a do-rag is to lay your hair down, y'all. But if your do-rag is not laying your hair down, but it look good, then it's like depleting half the purpose, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let y'all know in a later video if it does a good job of laying the hair down. If not, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna let y'all know. You just gotta keep it real, you know what I'm saying? I'll let y'all know if it's just for looks, or you might have to just like double compress. In that case, you know what I'm saying, put a regular one on and then put the velvet one on top for style. But I got a feeling right now that it's gonna lay it down, because if I'm feeling it and like just the way it is, like it's just like, I don't wanna say spandex, because it's not spandex, but like it has this little tension to it that it compresses to the head. but like it's just so soft. That's the only thing different about it, and I like it. Anyways, I'm pretty tired, Wave fam. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you a copycatter, don't copy my video. There's a big thing going on where a lot of YouTubers just love to copy. Y'all go to the popular YouTube channels and y'all find they popular videos and then y'all just remake it. Don't do this. And to the audience of my Wave fam members who watch videos and don't make videos, just call out a waiver or any YouTuber if you see him copying, bro. If I didn't mention this, I feel like in 3 weeks, 90% of the Wave channels will have a how to make a durag video when none of them knew before I dropped it.
When we was gone, when we was working on these songs, man, when we was out here in the zone.